Hey, how you doing? This is Side here, and in this video I'm going to talk about one of the most important aspects in order to achieve success in affiliate marketing. So if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, or even struggling or want to succeed even more in affiliate marketing, one of the most important things you need to do is engage in ongoing personal development and practice on improving yourself on a regular basis, because success in affiliate marketing also comes down to the important non-affiliate aspects or non-technical aspects, such as willingness, time management, goal setting, vision, belief, persistence, perseverance, commitment, hard work, smart work, and so on. All these aspects work together and complement each other to transform and mold you into the greatest person you can be. And as a result, whatever field that you choose to embark on, i.e. affiliate marketing, then you will be much better prepared and have the greatest chance of success. A lot of people just focus too much on the technical side of things, and when you see that things don't work out, they give up and they move on, when in fact they probably just haven't tried long enough to go past failure in order to reach success. And to have the ability to not to give up requires the non-technical aspects, as mentioned, of affiliate marketing, one of which is perseverance. If you can't persevere, then you'll quit and move on, and that's the end of your affiliate marketing career. And what could have been your life-changing business if you just stuck to it? If you're wondering why is there so much importance on personal development, then let me share some of the reasons why it's crucial to engage in personal development. So personal development trains you on improving various aspects of your life, such as honesty, integrity, problem solving, adapting to different environments. Personal development can help you overcome your weakness, make you stronger. You can become more confident, and with confidence comes the natural ability to go out there and do more and engage in more activities in your field. Personal development can help in getting you out of your comfort zone, which is a big problem and prevents you from growing and developing. Personal development plan can also include health and fitness improvement. By engaging in personal development, you can find out who you are, what you stand for, and where you want to go in life. For example, in my personal life experience, it's through personal development activities that I realized my passion in marketing and, of course, affiliate marketing. So here I am with my website that I've set up, affiliateship.com, and practicing my passions that I'm interested in, or one of my passions, so I say, of multiple passions that I have. Many people live through life working without knowing what they want, and this was the case for me at one point. Think about this: if you don't know what you want in life, then how are you going to go about achieving it? So personal development can help you find out what you want in life and work on how to go about achieving them. And one specific thing is the activity of goal setting. Goal setting is so simple yet so powerful if you really take it seriously. If you study successful people, you'll learn that many of the success people set goals, and specific goals that they can go about, and then they can go about achieving it. You can learn how to set goals and discover ways of achieving your goals, no matter how big or small your goals are. It's possible, but you must work on your personal development, because you will also learn on overcoming and dealing with the hardships that you may encounter on your journey to achieving your goals. So alongside your affiliate marketing training and development schedule, you should also consider developing and improving yourself on the personal development aspects. For example, one particular affiliate training program I'm going to mention is the 4% Success Challenge. Not only that, it teaches you step by step on how to succeed in affiliate marketing, but the program also covers a great detail on the most important aspects of personal development and stuff that I've just mentioned. These include mindset training, goal set training, money management, entrepreneurship skills, and much more, so that you can become the best person of yourself and best version of yourself, and as a result achieve more time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. So if you'd like to have a free starter online workshop on the introductory success challenge training, it's available as part of our affiliate success resources, and I've put the link in the description. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. It's free and no cost to you, but you learn a lot of stuff from it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you later. Thanks.